What's up everybody, Jeremy from Outpost Vans here. We're gonna show you today a brand new 144 4x4 build that we just completed. This is called El Duque, that means the Duke. So starting on the exterior, we kind of went pretty all out on this one. We are starting here with our Aluminess side steps. Outpost Vans is from San Diego, so is Aluminess. We love working with them. Another setup we did down here is the gold standard in suspension, the Agile RIP Kit. And then what I want to show you guys right here, this is their brand new wheel for the Sprinter. It's super cool. It's probably one of my favorites. This is the Overlander HD. What's really cool about this right here is it has a rapid deflate and inflate. So when you're getting off-road in your Sprinter, you can rapidly deflate down your tire pressure to have better traction in loose dirt, sand, or what have you. So that's super key. We did a lot of lighting on this van. Starting up here, we did our rigids. We call these deck lights. They're just scene lights out the passenger side. Pretty nice. What else we did on this one? Let's go around to the back. There's a lot, so I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna show you guys. We did a full rear door package from from Owl Vans. We've also got the Maxtrax right here. So Owl Vans large expedition box. We did Agency 6 shovel, full-size spare of course, and Owl Vans carrier. We get asked a lot about this on some of our media. This little accessory right here to hold your Maxtrax on the side of your box, this is actually from Aluminess. We love Aluminess. They're awesome. So that holds your Maxtrax on the side of the box. We do that setup quite often. Coming around to the driver's side, got our flare right here. We've got a rugged design concepts side ladder and roof rack. Very low profile, super cool rack. Very, very high quality, one of the best in the industry. We really like that rack. We've used it a few times now. We'll have more vans coming out soon with that rack. What else did we do? Come to the front. Show you guys the front end. All right, where do we start? We got a lot going on up here. So CA tuned off-road front bumper, worn winch. We've got some orange accessories. So you got your orange billet winch shackle from Agency 6, and then the orange shackles here. Under the hood, we have a dual ARB air compressor. We talked about airing up and airing down a couple minutes ago. You can use that compressor for really whatever you want, but mainly for airing up and down off-road. Flanking each side of the hood, we've got some Baja Designs ditch lights. So super cool there. All right, let's check out the inside. All right, so first thing you see right here, drop down table to the outside. We call this the happy hour table. Perfect height for having a beverage, cup of coffee in the morning, afternoon beer, wine, whatever. Or you can cook outside. We like to cook outside on trips, but super nice feature to have. Closes up really easily. One of the really cool features about El Duque, and really about having this in a 144, is people always ask us, hey, I want a shower inside my van. So how do I fit one in there, but I don't want to give up storage and so on and so forth. So we have, if you want to come in close, an in-floor shower. So take a look there. So it's a hidden in-floor shower pan. You see that? You've got your floor mat that matches the flooring of the rest of the van. You've got your hot cold mixer. You've got your hose with your nozzle right there. So what you do, takes about, I don't know, maybe less than a minute of setup once you've done it a few times, is you hang a shower curtain. There's an insert for the shower pan. Pull your hose line through, and boom, you've got an inside shower in a 144, and you still, as you'll see in a second, have a really open layout. You didn't sacrifice any storage, so very cool feature to have in a 144. All right, gonna cover it for now because we're gonna jump on the inside. Oh, what I didn't mention is we have an outlet right here, a 110 outlet, so you can power stuff as you're cooking outside. Very nice location, convenient. Stepping right up inside. All right, so one of our signatures at Outpost Vans is, we get a lot of requests for it, is our slatted ceilings. So they come out really, really nice. We do them in a lot of different wood species. We hand select the boards from our suppliers and we mill them all down by hand. This particular ceiling is maple, so it's a nice light blonde wood. and it really complements the other colors we've got going on here. So the blue cabinetry, we've got a hickory countertop, and then we have a gray upholstery on the walls. So really complements each other. Came out really nice. Kind of has like a royal regal theme with the blue plus the name, the Duque, El Duque. Really cool. So checking out the upper cabinets, all on soft close, really nice Bloom hardware. Flush push button latches. We've got a microwave. Right up in here, you might need to come up to check this out. This is what we call our monitoring console or control center. Essentially, this is where you have all of the systems controlling the van. We have a water heater timer. We've got our servo. So this is all power, solar, all of your loads for electrical. Your water tank levels are also in there. Got your heater. We have a 12-volt Bluetooth system. So this is its own system that you can use for when you get to your destination. So it's a JBL system with a JL Audio amp. That's all hidden nicely down in the garage. And our Switch Pros controlling all of our lighting and a few other items. What's really cool about the Switch Pros is also Bluetooth, and you can do it from your phone. So you crawl into bed, you're super cozy with the heater on. You don't have to get up and press the switch. You can just press the button on your phone. Everybody has their phone within a couple feet of them at all times these days. But yeah, take a look here. We've got a single induction, stainless steel fixtures and sink, filtered water. So this is drinking water. So we filter the water when we fill the fresh tank. And then this is a UV and carbon filter from our friends at Guzzle. So very nice. Big question too is always, where's the toilet? We actually have a dry flush by Laveo right down under there, if you can see it. Yeah, check it out. So the dry flush is probably our favorite toilet. We use it the most. It's the most sanitary. There's no extra chemicals to put in there, nothing to dump. That's usually what we want, something clean and easy. That's what clients tell us. Dry flush is the answer. So whenever we could do it, we use it. You gotta have your headliner shelf right up here. So this is a VWC, shout out to Ty, headliner shelf. We also have the blackout curtain. It's not up right now for the tour, but you can put the curtain up, easily slide it over to get a quick privacy in the back. Let's see what else in here. You notice a ladder that we have. The reason is, obviously the bed is fairly high. That's so you can fit full-size mountain bikes underneath. So we'll go back to the garage area in just a second, but you easily climb up, you get in bed, and it's a 76 by 58 bed. So just shy of an actual queen. It's a very large sleeping space, very comfortable. We get a lot of compliments on actually how big it is with all the other amenities and features that we have. One thing I want to show you guys too, it's kind of the hidden secret feature that we think is pretty cool. It's not going to be so secret or hidden after this video, but we'll give it a shot. So right here, you lift up your mattress and you have a secret hidden hold, and it's quite deep. I don't know the exact dimensions off the top of my head, but this is a good spot for long-term storage, extra bedding, extra sheets, things you're not going to need access to quite a bit. And it also has a lock on there, so if you wanted to use it to secure some items, it is lockable as well. So that's on both sides, and you can only access it from under the mattress. All right. Of course, we have other standard things in here. Diesel heater, I think I mentioned that. Gray water tank. This van actually has an extended range fuel tank, 47 gallons, which doubles your range. So very nice. All right, let's check out the garage. Open up the doors. We'll turn on the light. So first thing you'll probably notice is we have a slide out tray. Right here is some recovery gear from Deadman Off-Road. Best recovery gear in the industry, that's why we use them. Also another local San Diego company. Yeah, so this tray makes it super convenient to either load your bikes in or to just organize and load your gear as you're getting ready for your trip. So we custom make the decks, add the L-track. We get the slides from our friends at Lost Highway. Closes right in. So as you can see, very open, very big garage space. And I skipped over this when we were on the inside, but we do have a 12-volt AC right up there. So powering that is a 660 amp hour lithium battery bank. We also have a 3,000 watt inverter. We have 180 watts of solar up on the roof. So that's enough to keep the system maintained and topped off, but mainly what's gonna power you with this van here is the second alternator. So that's gonna, that's really gonna give you all your power when you're driving or idling. Solar is great, it keeps you topped off, but sometimes half the time it doesn't work. It doesn't work at nighttime, inclement weather, snow. So really, if you want a true 4-season van, in our opinion, you have to have that secondary alternator. We have 24 gallons of fresh water with an electric water heater, excuse me. And you can see right up in here, this is the awning pole for the Fiama awning. I may have skipped over that on the beginning of the tour when we were showing the exterior of the van. So yeah, that's El Duque in a nutshell. Tried to cram a lot of features into a short amount of time. If you want to check out more of El Duque, we'll have it up on our website. But hope you guys like this tour. Let us know if you have any questions. Check us out on Instagram at OUTPOST VANS or at outpostvans.com. Thanks.